Hey, so you're in Austin, you're looking to buy a property, and you've got a certain monthly budget that you want to stay within. You realize, holy crap, this is not taking me as far as I hoped it would. Don't worry, there's a lot of people in the same boat. You're not alone. I've got plenty of clients that come to me and initially are starting out their home search process looking at single family residence homes. After a little while, they realize that within their budget, there's just not any homes that they would actually want to live in, or they don't want to, live that far outside of Austin to get into a property. So they'll start changing gears, looking at condos. Condos can be a fantastic option for somebody, especially first-time home buyers, because in general, you're going to be able to find condos that are at a little cheaper price point than the single-family homes out there in the Austin area. It's not always super black and white though, and so there's a couple of things that I want to point out that affect the affordability of condos. The main thing is the homeowners association dues that are charged in condos. This amount is going to range anywhere from maybe $200 on the low end to $900 to $1,000 plus on the high end, especially if you're going to be looking at buying one of the downtown condos. The reason that this fee is charged is because there's a lot that the association needs to pay for. They have to pay for, the building and the maintenance of all the common areas, the lobbies, the parking lot, anything that's not inside the individual units. Condo associations also have to pay for a master insurance policy that covers the exteriors of the units, while the individual owners will just pay for a policy that covers the interior of the unit. So if you're trying to keep your monthly budget at this certain amount and you switch to looking at condos, you need to account for those extra monthly HOA dues that you may see out there. Another thing is going to be the interest rate on condos. Unless you're doing a 25% down payment, your interest rate is probably going to be about 0.25% higher than what would be if you were buying a single family residence home. So that affects your affordability by a couple or a few percent. Not huge, but it still affects it if you're really trying to keep your monthly payment at a certain amount. The last thing that you need to be aware of that doesn't necessarily affect the affordability, but it affects whether or not you can get the loan, is something called warrantability. Warrantability is a term that is referring to the approval and the warrantability of the condo community as a whole. So if you're getting a loan and you're looking at doing a traditional loan from Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, conventional financing, the health of the condo association is looked at as a whole. So things like the budget, how many of the homeowners are behind on their dues, if there's any pending litigation going on, anything that's going to affect the condos staying a good place to live is going to be looked at. And so when you're looking at properties, you need to talk to your realtor and say, hey, is there indications here that this is a non-warrantable property, or is it a warrantable property? That's definitely something that I can help with as well. So if you have any questions about condos, if you're looking to buy, give me a call. Would love to help. Have a great day.